Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Seedrs Review My Usage Experience. Seedrs Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and analyzing investment opportunities on the Seedrs crowdfunding platform. Its main purpose is to help potential investors assess the risk and potential returns of startups seeking funding. The target audience is individuals interested in angel investing or early-stage venture capital. Key features likely include company profile analysis, financial data aggregation, and perhaps even risk scoring, though I'll detail that in my personal experience section. Their website provides details on their methodology and pricing. They position themselves as a tool to enhance due diligence for Seedrs investors, offering potentially time-saving analysis and clearer insights into the companies listed. They emphasize transparency in their pricing structure. No hidden fees are mentioned on their site. They don't directly compete with Seedrs itself but rather offer an added layer of analysis for users of the Seedrs platform. Availability is limited to those using the Seedrs platform. You can't use this service without already being a Seedrs user. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Seedrs Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After signing up, which required linking my existing Seedrs account, I was immediately presented with a dashboard displaying several investment opportunities. Navigating the interface was intuitive enough. Each company's profile had a neatly organized summary of key financial data, along with Seedrs Review's own analysis, presented in a clear, easy-to-understand format. I particularly liked how they highlighted potential red flags and presented them alongside positive aspects, allowing for a balanced assessment. I used their features to compare 3 different tech startups. The comparative analysis helped me easily spot differences in their valuations and projected growth trajectories. The speed of the analysis was impressive. Results were available almost instantly. I had a quick question about their risk scoring methodology and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was satisfactory. A standout feature for me was definitely the clear visualization of key financial metrics. One minor drawback was the slightly limited depth of analysis. I wished for more granular data in some instances. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Seedrs Review My Usage Experience. It significantly improved my due diligence process and helped me feel more confident in my investment decisions on Seedrs. That's my overview of Seedrs Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.